Hello everyone. Today I got a pair of Nike Air Force Ones. They're all black and they're the high top version. Got this here. It's a pen. I'm just gonna, well, here. I think it's cool, right? I don't know, whatever. Unless these black lines. Hold on. Oh, there we go. I think that's good enough. Literally though. Hold on, back up the camera a little. If I can. Yeah. Move this up a little bit. Alright. Alright. There's that. 1 second, I'm gonna stand up and just make sure nothing crazy's in there. Also, you guys, this is from Nike.com, so it's official. Just make sure. Yeah, we're good to go. No nothing going on, but I'm gonna pick up the camera. Let's see here. Yeah. And you know, we've got wrong way. We got the Nike Air Force One title right there, or headline right there. Got the box, looks nice. You know, definitely fits, by the way. That was opened a little bit, so it closes completely. But if you open it, you get, I'm seeing AF1, Air Force One wrapping. So you can probably sit back down actually for a second. Here's what we'll do. Pick up the box. Shoot. Be careful. Be very careful, of course. Oh, I think I got it. Hold on. What am I gonna do? I don't know what I'm gonna do. Kind of weird, but I'm going to pick it up with my teeth. We're almost there. All right. Cool. All right, let's put this down. There's you know, I want to slant the camera down a little bit, but I don't know if that's a good idea. We can probably open it up. Hold on, I have an idea. If I go like this, let it go. Here we go. So yeah, the Air Force One wrapping, and then I see something here. What is that? We got a symbol. Here, I'll take off the shoe. Take out the shoes. I think this one goes first, it seems. Gotta be very careful here. I like these shoes, to be honest with you. Let's take this off here and put it here. On the camera, kind of, to be honest. Take off this one. And let's see that symbol again. Here we go. I don't know if there's any more of those symbols on this whole paper, but I see one right here where my finger is. I think I saw another one actually, but if you can see it, it's right there. Some kind of symbol. If anyone knows what that symbol means, stands for, whatnot, feel free to comment down below. But it's cool. It reminds me of like, it might be recycle actually. I'm seeing a recycle. That took me forever, you guys. I should have just looked. It's pretty obvious, plain in sight, but I didn't notice. But it does remind me of like a Master Roshi symbol or something from Dragon Ball Z. It's pretty cool. I like how they can adapt that. Oh, it's probably from China. Who knows? Who knows? I don't know anymore. Put this down in here. Let's just take one of these. We'll take this one. Let's see what we got here. Huh, pretty nice. I like it. So, the symbol here is really nice. It says Air Force One, again, the AF1. Honestly, I had a pair of mids, the same exact color and everything, and I bought the high tops because I liked them so much. Because I wanted the high top versions. I didn't really want the mids anymore. I wanted to I wanted to upgrade, you know? And that's just how I felt inside. I wanted to wear the high tops instead. And when you're wearing these, I don't know why, but like, especially with this symbol, it's like a badge. You feel like you're in the Air Force. I'm not even kidding. You feel like you're flying, just like Jordan when he was dunking. But on the back, you got the Nike Air. You know, the swoosh. Let you take a look. And then over here, probably the nicest view you're going to get because it says Air right there. Does it see on the other side? No, it doesn't. But yeah, on this side, it's kind of hard to see. Maybe I should move this closer. There we go. It's a good little look right there of how the shoes look. Or even if I, hold on, like twist it. It's a good look. I mean, that's how they look, generally speaking. I don't know if they look better with pants or shorts. Seems like you can wear either or. I mean, they're just shoes, but still. Hey, Jordan has to do with it. Seems like he wore Jordan 1s. These look a lot like the Jordan 1s. I don't know the history behind these, but they seem to have some kind of popularity amongst at least the people I grew up with. My sister had a pair of white ones. I don't know, I like these. Well, guys, I really appreciate it. You know, you guys are always taking your time and watching these videos, so I hope you have a good day. Thanks. See ya.